So now, if you put 11 volts across a 1000 ohm resistor, same as 1K if you're looking at schematics, then you will get 11 divided by 1000 equals 0.011 amps of current. That's going to flow through this. Make sure you do the math in amps, but talk about it in milliamps in most cases. And so 11 milliamps. For each volt across the 1K resistor, you get 1 milliamp of current, so 11 volts equals 11 milliamps. Pretty straightforward. The wattage is not as straightforward. That's how much heat it's going to create and have to dissipate. So 11 volts times 0.011 amps is 0.121 watts of power. Most resistors are rated for a quarter watt, 0.25 watts. You should stay below half of that though, 0.125 watts, and this is slightly below, so you should still be okay there. 12 volts across there, get a little bit more current, a bit hotter right there. I avoid doing that, especially for long periods of time.